Hey everyone, this is Tom Pinella with Appspace, coming to you from Cisco's New York City Customer Briefing Center, where we've got a ton of Appspace solutions on display that we've created in partnership with Cisco and some of the Cisco Webex devices. So I'm going to take you through all of those right now. So behind me, we have a Cisco collaboration endpoint that's actually registered back to Appspace as an Appspace device. So what we can now do is actually publish images and corporate messaging to these endpoints so you never have a blank screen. And so we're actually able to do that on a ton of different Cisco collaboration endpoints. So not only do we have that here, but we also have the smaller DX80, same exact playlist of content. So that way, whether you have large format displays with Cisco or you have some of the smaller endpoints, it's still the same ability to push corporate messaging across your enterprise. Now, that's great, but what we have here is the progressive web app running on the Webex board and soon to be some of the other Webex endpoints. So this is actually our full app running all of your animations, running through all of your corporate messaging with the ability to also nest multiple channels within the device. So that way I can push as much content as I want, organize it any way that makes sense. So maybe I might want to have a presentation, right? A slideshow. So I have that queued up. I can just toggle through that presentation or go down here and just see all the slides in my presentation. We can also have video on demand. So I can come up to my Webex board, open up some of these collaboration videos, have those videos play through on just a loop, or if I want, I can come down here and just pick one specific video at a time. Now, taking this a step further, we also can integrate our cards within the Webex board. So one use case for some of these cards might be our room booking card, right? A lot of these Webex boards are in collaboration spaces. You want to be able to schedule time with that board. So we can integrate with Office 365 or Google Calendar, so that way you can see what the schedule is for the day, what the availability is for the board. So I can actually come up here, book that board, say I'm going to book it till 6:30, and I'm good to go, right? And what's cool about this is that this is also the exact same card that's running here on our panel, right? So our panel here is just a smaller format. It's the exact same card, but I can have this running right outside of a room per se, and then using a card that can also do guest registration, I can have a visitor check-in where I can come in as a visitor, put in my information, have it take my picture, sign an NDA, package that all, and send that to my host through Webex Teams. So we've got all of this happening at the Experience Center. One thing that's super cool is I can actually, just to prove that these are all part of one Appspace instance, if I activate a quick alert, I'm able to have an alert get sent to all of these endpoints. So just to illustrate the fact that these are all connected, you can see that takes over the entire screen. So we're super excited to have you here. I'll talk to any of your Cisco reps, talk to your Appspace reps, but we're going to have all of this indefinitely at the One Penn Plaza Experience Center.